Welcome to Open Source Tech. In this video I will show you how you can install Windows 10 on any PC. Let's get started. I had already created Windows bootable USB.
If you don't know how to do that, check the video in top right corner.
After the installation media is ready, turn off your PC. Now, power on and keep pressing F2 to change BIOS settings. Keep settings same as in my case. Disable Secure Boot. Disable Legacy Option ROMs. Save changes and exit. Keep pressing F12. Select USB device to boot from. Select time and currency formats. Click on Install Now. Accept and continue. Choose Custom. Format the partition where you are going to install Windows. Selecting a wrong partition may lead to data loss. So, be careful. I am installing on SSD, drive 0. I will not do anything with these two drive. Select the partition and click on Next. Wait until the process completes. Click on Restart Now. Your PC will restart several times. Select your region. Choose keyboard layout. Skip. Continue without internet for now. Continue with limited setup. Type username and password. Select security questions. Adjust these 2-3 settings. We will be doing settings in detail in next video. Click No. Accept. I will post another video on basic optimization for Windows 10 in a few days. There we will do the settings part in detail. Please subscribe the channel to stay tuned. Here is your Windows 10. You can check Windows version by typing WinVer in search bar. I got version 2004. Please like, share and subscribe channel for further updates.